Hey, Dave Parrish here at Knack Builders, your Knack dude. Today's topic. Hey, by the way, if you like these, please like the video and I'd ask you to subscribe to the channel too. But today's topic is troubleshooting basics. Now, this is troubleshooting is a big, hairy topic. Um, but I'm going to give you three first things you start to do when you have a problem and you're trying to resolve it. These are helpful, and I'll probably build on this troubleshooting thing with some other videos. But I'll be back in a minute to start going through these. Thanks. Okay, folks, here I go. Talking about troubleshooting basics. I don't think this is going to be too long. Let's look at the first one. Source. This is the first thing you do. And by the way, I'm not talking about troubleshooting. Again, I said troubleshooting is a big topic. There could be problems with equations, tasks running correctly, all kinds of things. Performance of the app, you get this spinning wheel type stuff. I'm really not talking about this. This is more of, hey, I have content that I want to see, and it's not displaying how I want. That's what I hear a lot of when I'm helping people. But the first thing you do is check the source of whatever you're having a problem. Let me call up an app. Here's a piece of content, the pages. It's actually, if someone logs in, they can make service requests. First thing you do, click it, engage the piece of content, go to source, and see what that is. This is the very first thing you do. This table displays service records connected to the logged in user. When you're creating this page, depending on the connections you have, it could give you a whole list from which to choose. And sometimes it can be confusing, especially if you have sometimes you have multiple connections to the same object. Or sometimes the client just forgets to do it to the logged in user, thinking something else. And this will tell you what it is. This is the first thing. This can be helpful. That's that one. Okay, let's see what a second one is. Let's call up here. Connection direction. I talk about this fairly frequently. If something isn't working right, and it's something that I see really frequently with new folks, is they put the connection direction in the wrong place, or the connection in the wrong place. Let's, for example, customer, and a customer has invoices. Customer is a parent record. Invoices, in this case, one to many. One customer can have many invoices. To check if that's right, almost always the connection should reside in the child record. In this case, invoices, we have customer here. That's correct. And another way to think of that is if you have various invoice records, it just makes sense. Looking at that table, you want to see what customer that invoice is for. Right here, Johnny customer, Manuel. If you head in the other direction, and sometimes you can make it work, but it's just not right. You'd look at this table, and you would not see who the customer is, and that would just be weird because you want to know. Having it in the wrong direction when you're setting up the pages, content, or even a number of things can cause problems. So make sure it's in the right direction. Okay, the last one here. Record history. Let's take a look at this. This, by the way, is only available on the Pro plan above, but it's quite useful. You go to any of the objects, you're going to go to records, and these arrows here, click on it. The first thing will allow you to edit that record. The second one is called record history. This will give you who did it, when it was done, even the IP address, and anything that was changed. And this first one's created, but anything subsequently that was changed will be highlighted in blue. So this helps you, if you have something wrong, figure out on a certain date, you knew something or a record was created, you go there, you can see who did it. You can see what was changed, and this can help you narrow down things. And then the other nice feature here is this thing called render. What this is going to do, you click render, it takes you to the page that update, whatever happened was created or is updated. Now watch out when you have two sessions open at the same time. Know what you're doing and close out of one as soon as you can. That can be dangerous. So in this case, I don't know, whatever the circumstances, you can poke around. A lot of times you might have the same thing where you can create or update in multiple spots in your app. You have to keep them consistent and, again, know what you want to accomplish. And you can miss, it's easy to miss stuff, but you can check record rules, or if emails aren't going correct, you can just poke around. That's what troubleshooting is. Going down alleys, a lot of them will be closed. You got to go back and go down another one. This will help you find things that are wrong. That's what I got today, folks. I appreciate it, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.